Sometimes when I'm angry, the only thing that calms me down is to viscerally imagine myself dismembering my aggravator. In other news, welcome back to Harry Hash Browns. Today we're gonna be growing a garden. Yeah, again. What is up, gamers? Forgot to say that. I forgore. I need water. My throat is kinda dry. I just had breakfast. Isn't that fun? Isn't that something? There's nothing here. I just checked. My dog is gonna cry. Isn't that fun? Yeah, as per usual, I completely forgot what was on my mind before I started recording. So annoying when he does this whole crying routine of his. Cause like he's got no reason to do that. He wants to go up the bed, but my sister is asleep, so I'm just not gonna put him up there. Anyway. Look at this. I helped. I contributed 145 things to this beanstalk, and they gave me nothing. No points. Nothing. I made no progress on anything. Like the stuff on top that says, you need to help progress 5 times, 2 times. I got nothing. I hate when that shit happens. It's not supposed to happen. It's annoying when it does happen. Like accidentally collecting a plant you didn't want to. That pisses me off. Slow and steady, I guess. I feel like I'm playing the game wrong. Today's an old friend of mine's birthday. I sent him a message on Twitter, but I don't think he's gonna receive it because he privated his profile. So that's one of the things that is happening in my life today. It doesn't really matter. But then, what does? I was thinking about myself last night on the shower. That's about it. That's about as much as I got to tell you, because my mind goes completely blank when I start recording. I've already said that a couple of times, but it's true. So that's why I repeat myself so much. I titled yesterday's video as Harry the Hypocrite because that's how I feel. I feel like I'm at dissonance with myself. Like my morals, they're saying something, but my actions, they're doing something else. Is that common? Is that something that anybody else feels? This internal conflict? Or whatever. I feel like a fraud. I feel like I'm being dramatic. Damn, you're useless. Why did you pick the one plant that's not grown yet? I liked the last week, um, whatever you call it, Crispy. I liked him better than this beanstalk. That was more fun, I think. I'm sure that the moment that I finish this video, my mind is gonna flare up with topics again. That's annoying. It's something I have to deal with. Maybe I'm mentally ill. Maybe. I might be. It's not like I'm giving any signs. Fun fact, this plant here, I can't collect it. High fruit, I don't know what gives, but I just cannot collect it. I feel worthless. I feel like a bomb. You know, I should have been working for months already, years even. Everything would be fine if I just got a job when I was 14 years old. Maybe I wouldn't feel so useless. I feel happy when I see the light of the match. I think a bigger flame would make me even happier. Flare is really cute. My type. Hee 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 ha. Oh man, what a fraud I am. Maybe if I decided to record Hollow Knight instead, I wouldn't feel this. Fake? I don't know. It's weird. Wow. Okay. Good thing I didn't favorite that crap. What the hell is going on? Anyway. Dude. So yeah, I feel like a bum because MCR is coming to my country and I'm not gonna have any money to go and see them. I have no money to a future that is not going to happen, so it doesn't really matter. But still, it's not really about that, is it? It's about feeling like I'm worth a shit. It's not really about the future that is not going to happen anymore, as much as it is about feeling like I'm pulling my own weight. What's my point? Like, where am I trying to get with this? You might be wondering. Well, I am wondering that. And I don't know. I don't know where I'm trying to get with this. I'm just putting it out there. Maybe to make sense of things after I'm done recording. Fucking bamboo, fuck, man! Piece of shit, stop getting in my way. Stop staring at my boobs. Tits knockers double D's. Chesticles memories. Shoulder boulders on your chest. Stop staring at my boobs. You know, I met her, right, through the goofiest way possible. I don't know why, I don't know how. She ended up being so important to me. But yeah. I was trying to get in contact with this other girl that I was talking to at the time. And like, excuse me, I changed my schoolgirl's username to my Discord handle. And the girl that I wanted to respond, she didn't. Not in time anyway, because she added me, right? She sent me a friend notification. on Discord. And like as things went on, I just decided to delete every single one of my schoolgirl friends. Schoolgirls friends, I should say, not schoolgirlfriends. That sounds a little too inappropriate. To prove that I liked her. It's a weird thing. Schoolgirls, friends, schoolgirls. This should be entertaining. Darling, you have no idea what you are about to face. I'm kinda sad now. And I feel like scrapping the whole video. Maybe I'm just not gonna upload shit. Maybe this video is going to hell. You never know. Oh. That girl over there, Sheely. I met her in like January. I was using my Lily avatar. And she was like, your avatar, it's giving nature. I never met someone who speaks with emojis before. Because that's what I was doing. It's something I enjoyed doing when I was with my Lily avatar. It's something I've been doing since I was 15, actually. I would use emojis to communicate with people. Because it's pretty fun. Like, effective too. As long as I can have any idea of what they're saying. It's like an easy way to communicate with people who I don't know the language of, like Spanish people, and yeah, that's about it. God damn, Cooked Owl. You're useless. What's your name, by the way? Danny? You're a dumbass. There's plenty of bamboos. What is this? Kind of looks like a giant turd. Not gonna lie. Anyway, where was I? Sheely. we became like friends for a bit. We talked a couple times, played a couple games together. She doesn't have any Robux, so, and I had a premium at the time, still do anyway. So I decided that I was gonna give her some Robux on her birthday, just because not because I wanted anything, not because, you know, I just thought she would enjoy it. I just thought it would be a nice gift to give. I would enjoy it, if when I was poor and broke and living in shit and dirt and had a bacon hair on my avatar. I would enjoy it if I had a rich friend who gave me Robux for my birthday. Enjoy it if I had. I don't know why I feel the need to justify myself. Like, you know what they say. If your intentions are pure, you can never be whatever it is they say. Well, my intentions were pure. I only wanted to give her Robux for her birthday. But she didn't reply. And then our schedules, they kind of conflicted. I don't like seeing it like that because it makes it seem like I do anything other than play fucking Roblox all day. Which is not true. I'm always roxing my blocks. Robbing my blocks, I should say. Oh, the bumpkin. This one is wet, just like your mother when she sees me. That was a funny joke. I didn't laugh because I'm nice and kind and cool and awesome. What the hell? What the hell? What the helly? I don't like that. 6,500,000? 1, 2, 1, 10, 100, 1,000, 65,000. That's cheap. That's gonna take a while, isn't it? She doesn't need this. Sometimes I think of stealing these kids because they have really good plans. Look at this, 3 billion? I have the Robux for it. The bucks of the kid named Rob. Rob! Oh man. Am I anxious? Is that what's going on right now? Doesn't really matter. Ooh, wow, that's a lot of money. Oh. Pardon me, original gangsters.